In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get a McDonald's first order coupon code. Let's get started. First, download the McDonald's app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or head over to the official website of McDonald's. Then sign up for McDonald's account. In case you already have an account, you can just log into it. Then head over to the orders page or the deals and rewards page. New users who OPT into the rewards program are often eligible for a welcome offer or first order promotion. The exact offer varies by country and participating restaurants. If your account qualifies, you'll see your first order offer listed here. In some regions, it may take up to 48 hours for the welcome offer to appear after creating your account. Tap the offer to activate it, then add the qualifying items to your order. Continue to check out and complete your purchase through the McDonald's app. If you're ordering at the restaurant or drive-thru, follow the on-screen instructions to redeem the offer, which may include showing a code or placing a mobile order. Keep in mind that the first order promotions differ by location and may have minimum purchase requirements, expiration dates, or participation limits. Some restaurants may not offer the same welcome deal, so check the offer details in your app before placing your order. And that's it. This is how you can easily get and redeem a first order coupon or welcome offer in McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.